Hey everyone, I want to show you guys the looms that I just got. Cindywood is launching 3/16 inch gauge sock looms. Now, the reason they're doing this is they've had requests from subscribers and customers that they would like a loom that they can use a size 1, like a lace weight yarn on. So this is our answer to that. Now, their pre-order is going on right now for the rest of the month of September 2016. And the looms will be shipped, I think, mid-October. They have a 3/16 inch gauge, 56 peg, extra fine adult sock loom. They have a small. And then this one is the 3/16 64 peg extra fine adult medium sock loom. The 3/16 72 peg extra fine adult sock loom. And then they do have a 3/16 80 peg extra fine adult large sock loom. I just have the two middle sizes. So all the information for all 4 of those looms will be in the description below, along with my email if you have any questions, or if you have any comments and questions, you can leave them in the description, the video description, or go to Cindywood Looms contact us section on their website and send them messages. Now, if it's more specific messages about the looms themselves, you might want to send it to Cindywood because I do not work for Cindywood, so I may not be able to help you and answer your questions. Now, if it's questions as to what I think of the looms, then that is perfectly fine. Which I haven't tried them out. I just got them in. All of the sock looms I've gotten, I've absolutely loved. These will take a little bit longer to work on since the pegs are closer. But for those who like the very tiny, tight-knit, very detailed items, you're going to love these because you don't have to make socks. You can do flat panels. You can do, I don't know if they would work for the large sock loom. Might be big enough to do hats for preemies maybe. So, I mean, there's different things you can do with them, of course. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you have questions, comments, either comment section, email, or get a hold of Cindywood through their website. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.